Time is essence today. There are no buses, so I'll catch a cab to Proviso.
My new mate, George, the taxi driver. So I've arrived in Proviso, and right behind me is Cleopatra Marina, which I'll be heading to. This seems like a really nice place. Let's have a look around. Good. Right, let's go. We're going to do a bit of shopping. Birthday today. Let's go and see what we can find. Look at this shop. There's more money there. Yeah. Well, didn't know you could buy machine guns in Greece. You buy all sorts of weapons in that place. Right, I'm on a bit of a shopping expedition today. Supermarket shopping, buy some food, and I'll show you a little bit around the town. I think this is one of the main streets. So anyway, off we go. Here we go, wine shop. Let's jump in here. Bottle of red wine for the birthday. Here we go. Morning. Beautiful wine, getting a half litre. Never bought wine like this before. And also this bottle here. So I'm going to have a good day for my birthday. Thank you very much, sir. Well, that was good. I've never bought wine in a plastic bottle. And it's beautiful. Right, let's keep going. As you can see here, they don't stop for you on a zebra crossing. Look out. Before he's let me go. Thank you. Well, that bloke did, so that's pretty good. There's the supermarket, there it is. Hop in there and get some shopping. Sorry mate, how are you?
How are you?
Good, thank you. Yeah, I like that price, $2.97. Yeah. Beautiful. Bought 4 of them yesterday.
I noticed a couple of yachts tied up on the quay, flying Australian flags. I thought I'd go down and say hello.
Wedding wrist. Again, yeah, wedding you twice. So I was going to do it, and we got to rebuild his winch before we can go.
I saw that yesterday.
Right. We've got to. I was going to set up a camera and film it and show everyone how to do it. But then Rick's like, no, we know how to do it. He goes, we just pull it apart. So we pull it apart. I got no idea how to put it back together now. But it looks, yeah. I mean, it doesn't look too
hard.
Yeah, it doesn't look too hard. But it's just I don't know where everything goes now. And Rick knows. Rick's done it a million times. So he's like, yeah, we just do it, and then you film yourself doing that one. I'm like, all right.
It's really good having Rick around, isn't it?
Yeah, he's fantastic. He's yeah, so helpful. You don't wear the cups, so I'll just have water for you.
Nice, you brought your GoPro.
Ian will go mad, but there's a new one. I'm not sure how to. Brian was just showing me how to use it.
Yeah,
Really?
Which one is it? That's the one you're getting.
7.
What do you mean? Oh, I'm getting.
I'm just kidding. I'm going to bed.
Yeah, I'm going to bed.
I've got clean sheets.
No, I might take it for a run. Talking about walking the dog again.
Now the dog.
Fourth time.
We're looking out about.
My wife just said we've got clean sheets, so we're going to bed.
We never have clean sheets.
Well, I woke up this morning. It's a really nice sunny day here in Preveza, Greece. Today I'm going over to the other side, Lefkas, to Cleopatra Marina, where I'm going to be meeting Rolf, surveyor from England that's flown over to survey the Moody 376 that I'm looking at. So hopefully all goes well, and we'll see what this little adventure takes out to be. And there's young boy.
Are you excited?
Very excited.
€10 for the ferry, thank you.
Okay,
Right, I'll go now.
see ya.
Bye.
And poor Rick here, he's doing all the hard work.
Yeah, because he can't be bothered putting the outboard on.
And good luck. And
Thanks, mate.
thank you very much for the lift over.
All the best with your purchase.
Thank you. Say hello. Enjoy your sail. Hope to catch up with you again soon. See you later. Safe travels. I will do. Thanks, Ryan. Well, that was really good. I've been dropped over to the marina. The guys are taking off, and I wish I was behind them, but hopefully soon.